Today I'm going to build a really easy decoration that anyone can build and sell, and it's a low cost and high profit product. So let's get started. These are the sizes and angles I'll be cutting the pieces to. Pause the video if you need to. And now I'm going to use the clamps that I got from JLCMC to clamp the pieces down while I'm sanding them. JLCMC is actually the sponsor of this video. JLCMC is an online store where you can find a wide range of mechatronic parts. That includes things like motors, sensors, buttons, wiring, and other small components that are useful for all kinds of projects. One of the biggest reasons people choose JLCMC is the price, and compared to most other companies, their products are very affordable. Shipping is quick and they deliver worldwide, which is great if you're working on something and don't want to wait too long for your order. And they're offering $70 in coupons for new users. So go check out their products and use the link below to get $70 in coupons. Now back to the video. So now this is what it should look like. Now we can start putting it together. And now I'm just going to let this dry for a few hours. So now I'm just going to use some paint, and I'm going to paint the top of it to look like snow. You can also stain the bottom of this darker if you want to make it look more like a mountain. So if you like this mountain decoration and you want to see more videos like this, make sure to like and subscribe.